Hello students, this is a summary of the rat trap, detailed summary of the rat trap in literature. So I am just now reading this. The story, the rat trap sends a universal message that the essential goodness in human being on just can be lifted or aroused through sympathy, understanding and love. Once a man went around selling small rat traps of wire. It was not a profitable business, so he had to stay to begging and stealing to satisfy his hunger. One day he was struck with an idea that the whole world is a big rat trap. World Rat Trap offers riches, joys, food, clothing, that is shelter, as bids means temptation. Though one dark evening, the rat trap peddler found shelter in old Crofter's roadside cottage. The old man lived alone. He had no wife or son. The tramp got food, tobacco, and enjoyed card game majolies with the guest. The old man talked of his prosperity, the cow, and showed money that is 30 kroners of leather pouch contained in the leather pouch. Next morning, Crofter was away. Peddler came back, stole the money. After coming back, he stole the money. Means peddler stole the money. The peddler lost into big, confusing forests and walked to reach forest edge the whole day. He lay on the ground, tired to death. He remembered his idea of world and rat trap through his death was near as he thought that. He heard sound of regular thumping followed and reached Ramjo's iron mill on the dark, wet December night. The Ramjo's ironworks now closed down, and he was. It was just those days a big plant with smelter. Smelter means पिघलाने वाला लोहे को rolling unit and forge. Forge means iron factory. The prominent owner came on night round of inspection at the forge. Iron that he means owner invited that man when he saw that iron master looked red poor man near furnace carefully took him as an old familiar Nils Olof surprised at his poor experiences he that invited, and after that he went away. Now the peddler means red trap seller thought that he was going to just now would be trapped in a lion's den means अब फिर दोबारा शेर की मान में अंदर जा रहा है. The iron master reached home, sent daughter to bring the captain one still, he thought. His home on Christmas Eve. She means eldest daughter named Edla Wilmanson reached forge in carriage wheel with her servant. She introduced herself as Edla Wilmanson of Ironmaster, daughter of Ironmaster. She felt sorry his hard time invited him to her home. Though peddler threatened as if had stolen something as or escaped from prison. He seemed like that. Request for Christmas. She requested for Christmas Eve stay only one night. Felt confidence. Now peddler felt confidence in Miss Adla. Respected her personal efforts. Again, he cursed off self for stealing the crofter's money. He thought that on the way going to Manor means Jimidar house, in trap never to get out of it. He thought that he would not come up. Now next, Ironmaster's satisfaction of having old regimental comrade means friend was with him on Christmas Eve. He was very much happy. When cleaned and well dressed up, something different now Ironmaster found he was not as old familiar comrade of his. The stranger did not accept it his fault, at worst ready to walk out at once in his rags clothes. Ironmaster found him not quite honest, though of calling the sheriff. Sheriff means that is a main officer of the city. Peddler told Iron Master a whole world, a big rat trap. Good things, cheese coated pork pieces. Pork means suar ka kacha mas, that is. Weight means temptation for poor. For big piece of pork, you means Iron Master might get caught in trap. On Christmas Eve, uh, Iron Master ordered the peddler to get out at once. But Iron Master's Edda Wilmanser, that is daughter, pleaded for him, means requested for him. She said, I don't want him to go out on this occasion of Christmas. She thought of a stranger walks and walks whole year, not welcome anywhere but chased away. She would like to let him enjoy a day of peace with them in a year. She promised Christmas cheer means happiness and food for him. Father agreed, hoping not to regret for it. A stranger sat down, ate, thinking why she had done it. He did nothing, but slept and slept continuously after taking the food. When Christmas tree was lighted, he was woken up and in the evening for eating fish and porridge. Next morning, they went for means Iron Master and his daughter went for early church service, leaving behind the guest asleep. They learnt from there at the church. A red trap peddler robbed old crofter. They drove at once back home and they were sad and worried. Valet means that is private attendant of Iron Master informed that the stranger left. He had taken nothing at all with him and left behind a package as Christmas gift for Miss Edla. The young girl opened contents, packed package, came in view, gave a little cry of joy. She found a small rat trap. In it lay the kroner notes for returning to Crofter, and she also and it was a letter addressed, honored and noble Miss. Since you have been so nice all day long, as if I was a real captain, one still. I want to be nice to you as a real captain. As he was raised to captain, he got power, means a peddler got power to clear himself from this blame. Thank you. Now I have completed the chapter and next I will take question answers. Thank you.